Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima. Manomtut ka kam ka jam ama ka jingbam biang ka boarding. One shaka orange electrical loan sopo not my nakabenta ki diesel generator.
Kumba kha prangut ki brew gila sha kem akapor bodan ka jing khang dam lani ka lockdown alor ka jing kno bagila don kti ban pniap iki mrad ya kani la yethu daga divisional forest officer Khasi Hills Wildlife Division ka Anu P James IFS hagje kren bor unong sa Hima kani ko officer ka la yethu ba po Khasi Hills Wildlife Division hapadeng ki snem arja khan rew khat nyo bad hadu arjar arpho arphoi kila don kharpratali ki case agaba ki mrad ki lasha pniap agi benta bo pher jongari lom khasi jentia nalo kata kala ithu ruba ki nyopsan percent ki case ki bor bade pe ki la yo kemi ki bre bodon kti katba agi percent umsham lala ban kemi ki kani ki divisional forest officer kala ithu ruba katanat bade pe kala nang pinjana ya gorkom trikam bat khamtam hagabe de ba jing tokit nalor ka jing panje arab ki pulit ki nong pnia ki bor mobile bat ki wei kani ka divisional forest officer kala hethu ru ba katanat kala nang penthamai bat pen klain ya ka jing tokit ha ka be dei ba ka jing pnia ki mrad ki benta bo pher
And coming to during lockdown, there were cases of killing of wildlife in some villages and the question of what steps are being initiated. So as I told, during this year, during the lockdown period, we have booked already 6 cases. This relate to the killing of Himalayan or Asiatic black bear, then the hulo gibbon, barking deer, samba, civet cat. And total of 80 number of persons were arrested. And investigation is going on in some of the cases. Some of the cases we have filed the final completion, the complaint report to the court also. And we are also evolving with time because the nature of crimes are also changing. So nowadays we are also trying to use all the resources available, like we are coordinating with the police also. In certain cases, 2 of the cases we tried to take the help of sniffer dogs, and police also cooperated, and they have taken they've come inside the wildlife sanctuary and taken evidence, but it's a evolving subject. So in future also we try to more refine our investigation process. Then also the cyber mobile service providers, some cases we got the mobile phones, and also we are taking systematically the call data records, then connecting so that we can prove the cases more effectively. Also we are using all the scientific methods, like we used to take the help of wildlife forensics. So we send the sample to Wildlife Institute of India, which is the designated Center for Wildlife Forensics, to get the reports. And these are the way in which we are also trying to upgrade our investigation so that we also are in tune with the time. Then I would like to say that it's very difficult for wildlife crime because most of the locations you see, they are very remote. That is one of the major challenge. Then another major challenge is that the nature of the forest lands here. The forest land belonging to the department is just less than 6%. All the other forest is community forest. So every time the community only will be there. Like the presence of forest staff is limited, more or less limited to the protected areas, but still we are stretching our resources. We are stretching, and we need cooperation with the people. Then only we can properly take wildlife offences, bring the cases down. Now coming to the question of, is it because of lack of awareness, or is it simply sheer greed that sometimes these animals are killed on a killing spree like that? You are not supposed to hunt any animals, for that matter. Everything falls under some or the other schedule which is protected. Now coming to the role of the forest department. So firstly, if there is a case of wildlife offense, we will book the case against the offenders and the law will take the course. That is the one thing. And second part is creating awareness among the public, among the villagers. So always what we do is that we used to celebrate special occasions. For instance, Wildlife Week. October first week is a Wildlife Week, and we are also having we are right now planning number of programs We used to have some competitions for the school children. We used to have awareness programs in the village and involve the children. And this is the way in which we used to spread awareness. Not only wildlife week, we used to celebrate Sparrow Day, World Environment Day, or World Wetland Day. Like that, special occasions we used to celebrate. Even during pre-COVID times, that the Lady Hydric Park was full of activities for children, where we used to celebrate different days, so that our children grow up with this compassion for animals around them, and they understand about this particular rich biodiversity and cultural and natural heritage. And also, we used to always have interaction with the community, because here in the state of Meghalaya, as I already told, the forest department is having very less number of land under control. So whatever we do with the community. So every meeting we go to the headman, whether it is for a community reserve meeting or whether it is for development work, we always used to have a good chat about what all the wildlife occurring. We used to ask them to share what have they seen. We used to put camera traps, we used to show some photos and videos. So this is always an ongoing activity. We have also written to all the village headmen, requesting them that to extend cooperation to the department, because they are the people in the field. Unless we have the cooperation of the people, we cannot conserve or preserve the wildlife and for that matter, so we have been doing like this, and we have translated the Wildlife Protection Act also in local language, and all our range officers and all our field staffs, wherever they are going, they're trying to pass on the message like this. Also, we have tied up with some advertisements we are giving in local FM channel also, so that the reach can be. So whatever possible way we are doing, so we are also seeking cooperation of the print media also, because you can also be very effective because of of your reach. You can be very effective instruments, because here actually we are all partners in conservation. So that is the thing. So we look forward the media side also for conservation, for giving the good stories about conservation initiatives, everything. So that is all from us. Thank you.